Hey everybody, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. We're going to do beer battered, I have to slow down because I'm trying to say this, beer battered fried banana peppers. He's like, I know you're going to say jalapenos. Okay, banana peppers. I don't know what kind of pepper this one is. It was with the banana peppers when I bought them that day.
It's still just banana pepper.
It's a pepper. We're going to fry it too. So let's cut this tip off here. And these are so big, so I'm going to cut this in two. And then they cut them into quarters like this. We had these at a restaurant in Lexington, Kentucky called Ramsey's. And my goodness, ever since then, we're like, oh, we got to try those. We got to try to make those because they're so good.
And we will be going back there to eat very shortly.
Yes. I was just figuring this morning, it's like, okay, so how many hours did it take us to get there?
3 hours.
So I think we can do that in a day trip.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be nice. So there. That's that. Well, guys, I hope you're enjoying the channel, and if you got any suggestions, let us know, because we're just having fun, and we're new to this, really. I mean, we've been doing it a year, but, you know, we just kind of play with it. Now that I'm retired, we'd like to do a little bit more with it. If you have any suggestions or any kind of food like this you want us to do. Nothing too difficult, because this is a simple channel, like a simple girl. No comment on that?
And I'm the simple man.
He's a simple man. Him and who? Who sings that?
I forget.
Let us know down
Leonard Skinner.
Let us know who sings that. Leonard Skinner does sing one. Something. I think Charlie Daniels or somebody, maybe. Hank. I don't know. But we are beer battering this. I've never used this kind of beer batter before, but hey, you know, if you've watched the channel, you know we just kind of do whatever we want.
We try new things.
Like, oh, we've never done it before, but we're going to wing it and try it anyway.
And it always turns out good.
And if it don't turn out, we let you know.
We still show it to you.
We show it and tell you, hey, I have a couple fails on there, but we try. And like I said, you know, other people do them and they show you perfect, but
we even show our blooper.
yeah. Yeah.
We're all about keeping it real here. So
There's too much AI stuff out there that you don't even know what's real or what's not. People singing and it's not even their own voice. Doing the AI vocals. Like, man.
why would you want to do that? I don't make sense. But oh well. Use what God gave you.
My voice is not very good. Not very good at singing. He's no comment. He's just smiling like.
Bailey likes it.
My dog howls at me when I.
She sings with you.
Yeah, that's what I said. I am so much fun that my dog sings with me when I do karaoke. She doesn't sing with him. Just saying. She wants to sing with her mama. It couldn't be that I'm screeching and hurting her ears. I don't think that's...
Or trying to drown you out. Oh, it's all about having fun.
All right. So I've got these clean. Set these aside. Let me wash my hands off. So pause that for a second. I don't want to get pepper juice in it all over the place. All right, we're all cleaned up. Ready to start the batter. We've got 1 cup of self-rising flour. Hudson cream is what I use. Because it's so pillowy. I can't get over it. I won't use anything else. Unless I can't find it. But I can usually find it. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. That makes the stuff crispy. Cornstarch.
Mm-hmm.
And a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Going in. And then we're going to put in a few seasonings. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there. Or a lot of salt. And some fresh ground pepper. Because you gotta like pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. And some onion powder.
Y'all just season it with whatever you like.
Yep.
This is stuff we like.
This is the basic stuff. I'll crank out a little bit. Get that all stirred up together. And then we're going to put in 1 cup of beer. Because this is a beer coating. And your beer should be cold. So I just took that out of the refrigerator. I love the smell of beer. I don't like the taste of it. But I love the smell of it. Is that weird?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You're a weirdo.
Well, that's like people like the smell of coffee, but they don't like coffee. So
How can you not like coffee?
well,
I'm having a cup right now.
Yeah, I didn't like it until I got older. So I started putting coconut oil in it, and butter.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be a good batter.
It's thick. I'm making a lot of noise.
Now, do you need to wet those to get that to stick on there? Or?
No, that's gonna be good. That's a wet batter.
Okay.
I think it should be fine. Famous last words, but
Mm-hmm. Ain't that a song? Famous last words of a fool.
so we stir this all up, some of them lumps out of it. Nice and thick, like me, thick.
That's how I like it.
I'm trying not to be as thick though. I'm watching a little bit.
You've been low carb this week.
I take it day by day. I did have a taste of a biscuit.
And ice cream.
I had a taste of ice cream. Other than that, I haven't even ate lunch yet. Get this cranked up here.
I had bacon and egg on one of them biscuits. That was delicious. Man, I can tell you already that's going to be good.
Wow.
Because we had them at Ramsey's and we know how good it was.
Okay, that came back up. Yeah, we did. But I don't know what kind of breading they used. They had a batter on it, so we're just trying our batter to get that oil heated up.
Any beer batter's got to be good. Even if you don't like beer, makes batter taste good.
Yeah, you can't even taste it.
Mm-mm. It'll cook off any alcohol that's in it. That beer battered pizza you made was delicious.
Mm-hmm. Ever since we got these peppers, and we're like, oh, we gotta try that. We gotta try that. We can't wait.
I think we're going to get some squash and try that too.
Yeah.
Like we did the green tomatoes.
Mm-hmm. Chop them up. You could use that in this batter here too.
Probably could. Maybe we'll save that batter and use it for that.
It's a poppin'.
Delicious.
Yeah. I'm ready to taste these too. Guys, if you've ever made them, let us know. I know at most restaurants they have them like pepper rings, but this is the pepper. Like the whole pepper. We're not cutting these babies into rings.
Mm-mm.
We want all of it. Alright, we'll let that fry.
Get them crispy. That'd be so good. Good coffee.
Billy's wanting me to make some cream horns.
Yes.
So I've got some of the metal spools in my metal cones, I should say, in my Amazon cart. Haven't pulled the trigger yet because I know as soon as I get them, he's like, okay, let's go make some. I've never made them before.
Yeah. I love cream horns, so.
Yeah, he does.
Ooh. And at $5 a pack, you don't want to buy them at the store.
$5 for 4.
Yeah.
And then we little ones. Oh, that batter stayed right on these guys. It didn't come off. Stayed right on them. Now it's just waiting for them to brown.
Yum. Kind of like watching paint dry in.
Yeah. So out of 4 of them, we got quite a few pieces here. You can cut them up as big or small as you want. Oh, I missed one. Oh, I just didn't cut it in 2. All right, we're getting ready to take them out. They're nice and crispy, they look like. So here we go. Look at them.
That looks good.
Yeah, it does. Now the hard part's going to be letting them cool. They're so smooth with that batter. That is a great batter. All right. I'm going to put some more in. Why, those are cooling just a hair. My thing here set at 350.
And guys, if you got an air fryer and you don't eat them all, you can heat them back up in that, and they're just as good.
Yes, that's what we did. We brought some home with us because we didn't eat them all, and heated them in the air fryer. Oh,
Just as good as when they come out hot, wasn't it?
yep, crispy. I know people's probably like, "Ew, you're using your hands." Yeah, we're gonna use our hands to eat with too, so they're clean. I'll wash them again.
Yeah, trust me, she keeps them washed good.
Always in water. Anyway. There's a big one here. It's a green one.
I wonder if it'll taste different than
I
the
don't know.
yellow ones.
I'm going to put one more and then we'll get to tasting the other ones. Alright, let me wash my hand again. Alright. I'm so ready to taste this. Hopefully it's not going to be too hot for me. So good. So good, guys. That breading is great.
It looks good.
I don't know if you can hear it, but
I can hear the crunch.
it's crispy.
So are they as good as the ones at Ramsey's?
I will say not as good, but they're delicious though. They are. Probably could use some salt on them, which we put salt on them down there too.
Yeah.
We brought them. So maybe I'll put some extra salt on them.
Yeah, that'll help.
Oh, there we go.
And you can dip them in some ranch or whatever you want. Blue cheese.
They're so good, guys. You should give it a try. We'll be doing this again because that breading right there, they look like fish. They're so big, don't
Yeah.
they? Woo, that was a little hot.
And that's what they looked like when they came out down there. I said, that looks like a piece of fish. Oh,
Guys, even if you don't use that breading for banana peppers, use it for some fish or onion rings or something because
or green tomatoes are probably.
that is a great breading, okay? So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching Baker Mr. Smith show. And we're having beer battered banana peppers.
She got it.
Peace out, guys. Have a great day.